I'm Matt Beaumont, I'm Director of Mechanical Engineering at MBDA. So we've been using the Windchill product for a number of years now. We call it Matrix inside MBDA as a capability, a tool set we introduced a few years ago, and that's been immensely valuable. Over the last few years, we've been working more closely with PTC for our logistics solutions. So the NTIP product for our support engineers based on MPMLink, and also more recently the digital industrialization platform, again using MPMLink, that allows us to manipulate the 3D models in the manufacturing environment and have a bidirectional link to the control characteristics. All of those, under the pressure that we're under today to deliver, will help the engineers deliver more. Once a product's developed and manufactured, that support team have a huge task in making sure our customers get what they need. So now in those systems we're into support phases. That's where introducing the NTIP program, again based on MPMLink, has been really useful to us. As MBDA continues to deliver more products to more customers than ever, the support function becomes really, really critical for us. We've got multiple systems in the field being used day in, day out, and so the ability for us to respond is absolutely critical. So deploying Windchill, deploying MPMLink into the NTIP solution has been a valuable part of our customer support.